I'll admit it, I'll admit it. Watch your motherfucking tone, boy. Yeah, it hurt, boy. Oh, here going on, motherfucker that don't understand the concept of putting money first, boy. I'm about to hit you with the work, boy. I'm about to hit you with the work, boy. I hate coming through stunting on niggas that I know, that's the worst, boy. I'll admit it, I'll admit it. You haven't been the man for like a minute. I told you that I'm in it for the long haul. You can really get the business. I'll admit it, I'll admit it. Rolling switches, hitting switches. Got me feeling like a ball hog. I don't pass it when I get it. I'll admit it, I'll admit it. You too worried about the bitches. I got one girl, and she my girl, and nobody else can hit it. She'll admit it, she'll admit it. She ain't fucking with you niggas. It's just like every single other thing in my life. You can have it when I'm finished. I hear the talk on.